Magandang araw po to receive on the Acne and welcome to Marlys Corner. In this channel, we are going to do different kinds of vlogs such as cooking, travel, food review, and a lot more. So since this is our first video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the red button down below. Thank you. So today we are going to make a very special dessert for Valentine's, a Filipino style Leche Flan Valentine's edition. Are you ready? Let's go! Here are the ingredients in making Leche Flans. 10 pieces of eggs or egg yolk. You can use chicken or duck egg, but in this video, we used native chicken eggs. Next is 4 tablespoons of brown sugar or azúcar na pula. Next, 1 can of condensed milk. And next, 1 can of evaporated milk. Last but not the least, orange skin or calamansi. This is optional. Now we are done with the ingredients, so let's move on to the materials. The most important one is the mold because it's where you're going to shape your leche flan. You can use any shape or any types of molds. You can use metal, porcelain, silicone, or plastic as you wish. Another one is the bowl, or we call it mangkok. You need at least 1 or 2 bowls when cracking the eggs, like when you're separating the egg white and the egg yolk. After bowl, you need grater or kukuran. We will use this one later in adding orange skin. One more is the strainer for removing the bubbles in the mixture after you blend. And blender, we will use this instead of beating the egg because a beginner, I prefer using blender than beating the egg by hand. So it's up to you to use your own style. And last, steamer. This is where you're going to steam and cook your leche flan. Processing time. First, we need to separate the egg white and the egg yolk. I will just continue what I'm doing until I finish the 10 eggs. Pour the egg yolk in the blender, followed by condensed milk. And evaporated milk. Don't forget to add your orange skin. Now blend the mixture for 1 to 3 minutes. After you blend, use the strainer and transfer the mixture into the bowl. Try to stir the mixture for about 2 to 3 times until the bubbles are gone. Prepare the caramel by adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of water into the brown sugar and put it in fire until it's caramelized. Slowly pour the caramel into the mold. Make sure the bottom of the mold is covered with caramel to make it easier for us to remove later. Gently pour the mixture into the mold and also cover it with aluminum foil. And last but not the least, put all the molds in the steamer and wait for 30 to 45 minutes. Ayan! Luto na! Nanan! So now it's time for the review. And in order to be fair with you guys, I invited someone to review the Leche Flan Filipino style Valentine's edition. And so now let us call on Mr. Marlys.
Okay. Hello guys! So ako po yung nataasan ni Madam Marlys na mag-review dito sa Leche Flan Filipino style Valentine's edition na niluto niya. So ako po si Marlys. And let's go! It's the moment of truth. Dala ko na rin po yung aking masaganang kutsarita at aking re-reviewin yung mga niluto niyang or yung niluto niyang leche flan. We don't use F in food. So, leche flan.
Leche Flan.
Ito po yung leche flan. Niluto niya. Ang masarap. Lalaway na kayo dyan. Okay.
My cookie.
So, ang galing to. Okay, let's try.
Good luck.
Good luck sa akin. Masarap. Yan. 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 Ganda nga. Sarap mong sabunot. One more.
Is it good?
Yeah, it melts in the mouth. Nalulusaw sa bunganga yung leche flan. And hindi rin siya masyadong matigas. Katulad ng may tawag dito, egg white. Kasi pwede rin natin siya iluto ng may egg white. And para hindi masayang ang egg white. Pero ang ginawa ni Madam Marley, binukod niyo yung egg white sa egg yolk, and the result is awesome, napakasarap. Kuha niya yung leche flan natin na Pilipino. Siya nga pala, hindi siya Pilipino. Siya ay Cambodia. So, she's isang Khmer. Hi to all the Khmer viewers there. Yeah, let's finish this thing. Okay.
Can I eat also?
Okay. There. Let's finish it all. Okay,
It's really good.
yeah. Chingan. Masarap.
What? How do you call it? What is delicious? What is-
Masarap.
Masarap.
Again,
Masarap.
yeah, try your leche flan. Bus na. Bus na.
Ayan.
So milky, Alam mo yung gatas, hindi siya ganong matamis, hindi rin siya ganong tawag dito matigas. Smooth siya pag nilagay mo sa bunganga mo. Nalulusaw. Bahala kayong maglaway dyan. You know what I say?
So bad.
I'm sure their salivas are like...
I will learn how to speak
Yeah.
Tagalog.
Yeah.
And
Their
masarap.
mouths are watering. We still have one more here. Yeah, please subscribe. Click the red button below. So this is the last part of the video, guys. Maraming salamat.
And thank you so much guys for watching.
So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button below here or here. I'm not sure. Yeah.
And also one more thing, if you want to comment, please leave a comment down below for the next request of the video.
Yeah. Maraming salamat po. Kapun dyan.
Bye bye!